In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can remove the field buttons from your pivot chart in Excel so it looks like a much more normal typical Excel graph. So here we have a pivot chart based on this pivot table of totals by region, but as you can see, there's kind of these annoyingly formatted gray boxes right here. To remove them, all we have to do is click on the chart, go to pivot table analyze, pivot chart analyze, excuse me, and we can uncheck this box for field buttons. As you can see, by unchecking this box, these field buttons are removed. Now, having them can be helpful if you want to filter just in the chart. So, for example, I just want to select the north and south region, for example. The chart and the pivot table adjust accordingly. However, if I'm doing a presentation, for example, maybe I don't want these buttons to be present, and I can just uncheck this box to remove them. Note there are additional options you can filter through to kind of see what meets your needs. So for example, I can say, hey, show report filter field buttons, show legend field buttons, show access field buttons, so on and so forth, and I can kind of pick what field buttons are shown and not shown, so that way it makes what I'm working for the most. That's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.